5-year-old child in Quebec needed emergency medical treatment, which doctors said would require a blood transfusion. The parents of this 5-year-old were Jehovah's Witnesses, so they objected blood transfusions due to the Jehovah's Witnesses' rule on blood. This case ended up in court so that this child could receive the life-saving medical care that they needed. And this is what's really heartbreaking about this case, is that Jehovah's Witnesses are taught to fear blood transfusions. They're told that blood could be dangerous, contaminated, or against God's will. Blood medicine has enormously come a long way. Yes, there has been cases in the past where people have got sick from blood, but this is very rare now as of today. Today, blood is heavily screened and regulated. What's sad is that the scriptures regarding the blood rule, they were about food and not about life-saving medical treatment. The governing body took ancient dietary scriptures and applied them to emergency medicine. And that's not what those verses are talking about. But there's also another layer to this too, the paradise teaching. Witnesses are taught that if somebody passes away while obeying the rules, that they'll be resurrected into paradise. So parents are put in a position where they believe that if they refuse the blood now, then this could mean eternal life later, even if it risks losing their child now. But the problem is that many of these scriptures used to support the witness version of paradise are highly symbolic. They're not literal. Verses in Isaiah about peaceful animals and perfect conditions are originally written in prophetic and symbolic language, yet the organization presents them as a guaranteed literal future system with very specific rules and outcomes. The Bible itself never clearly lays out a detailed paradise system that the governing body teaches today. So people are being asked to make life or death medical decisions based on interpretations, not clear medical evidence, and not even clear-cut biblical instructions about transfusions. That's how powerful the indoctrination is. And honestly, many of these parents are victims too. Jehovah's Witness parents genuinely believe that they're doing the right thing because they've been conditioned to trust the organization over doctors, science, and sometimes their own instincts as parents. In this case, we have the courts decided to step in because the doctor believed that this child's well-being was being put at risk. So think about that for a moment. Court had to fight for a 5-year-old to receive medical care. No child should ever be caught between survival and religion. No parent should ever be psychologically pressured into believing that a life-saving medical treatment would disappoint God.